In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Trust Wallet to Binance. Now, you may be wondering what connecting Trust Wallet to Binance entails, and it actually encompasses several functionalities. Firstly, with Binance Connect inside Trust Wallet, you can buy cryptocurrency directly from fiat, leveraging Binance's vast liquidity. Additionally, funds can be transferred or withdrawn from your Binance account into your Trust Wallet seamlessly. Trust Wallet also serves as a gateway to the Binance Smart Chain, enabling access to BEP20 tokens and DeFi applications built on this innovative network. Moreover, with Binance Pay, moving funds between Binance and your Trust Wallet becomes a breeze. Let's dive into the detailed steps for using Binance Connect within Trust Wallet to purchase cryptocurrency. Begin by opening your Trust Wallet app, ensuring it is updated to the latest version for a smooth experience. From the home screen, look for the option labeled Buy, or sometimes Buy Crypto. Here, you'll choose the specific cryptocurrency you're interested in acquiring and specify the amount you'd like to purchase. When it's time to select your payment method, go for the Card with Binance Connect option, which might also appear as Binance Connect or P2P Fiat via Binance, depending on your app version. You will be redirected to Binance's interface, where you can review pertinent details like fees and total amounts to ensure everything is in order. Once you're satisfied, confirm the transaction. As soon as the process is complete, the cryptocurrency you purchased will be deposited into your Trust Wallet, ready for you to use or trade as you see fit. Next, let's discuss transferring existing crypto from your Binance account to Trust Wallet. Begin by logging into your Binance account, either on the app or through the website. Locate the option for Withdraw or Send Crypto, then select the coin you wish to transfer. Moving to your Trust Wallet, open the specific wallet for that coin, tap on Receive, and make sure to get the correct wallet address. It's crucial to choose the right network, such as BEP20 for transactions on the Binance Smart Chain, or whatever chain Binance indicates for your chosen coin. Once you have copied the address, head back to Binance and paste it into the withdrawal address field. Double-check to confirm the network is correct, as using an incorrect network can result in the loss of your funds. Complete any necessary verification steps, which might include two-factor authentication or email confirmations. After submission, you'll need to be patient while awaiting blockchain confirmations. Once processed successfully, the funds will appear in your Trust Wallet. Each step is designed to ensure a seamless and secure connection between Trust Wallet and Binance, providing you with more flexibility and control over your cryptocurrency transactions.